Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video of a 2019 Winnebago View 24D. This RV is spectacular. I know I say I like a lot of RVs, but this is my favorite Class C. I'm going to do a quick video here to show you around, explain exactly why that is. First of all, on the outside here you can see the full length awning, power awning that comes out over this coach. You have the power entrance steps. Nice storage compartment here with the 1000-watt inverter. You have the very stylish looking aluminum Alcoa wheels. And of course, you have a 3600 watt LP Cummins generator. Then in the back you have a nice location here to store any wet cargo you may have. This is their Rotocast storage compartment, which is definitely made for stuff like that, so you don't rust out any of your compartments. Again, another little nice storage for you. Got the two outside speakers. This is in the cool gray outside decor. It's going to be a little tight around this way, but we'll make do here. At least we're inside where it's nice and warm. Here's your water compartment here. It's going to have your winterization valves, an outside shower, location to turn your water pump on, and as well as your low point and tank drains. Next to that, you have the 30 amp power cord compartment, and you will see the socket there to plug in that cord for when you want to supply the coach with 110 volt generator power. Up above that you can see the controls for the electronic stabilizing jacks here, which are they started adding last year. Very nice feature here. It kind of takes that final rock out of the camper, when you're parked. You do have one slide here with the slide awning. Nice big cargo compartment over here, and they do provide you with a location to store your sewer hose. Well, that's nice. Winnebago, not a lot of people do that. So this coach is just over 25 feet long. It is on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter diesel chassis. It's a 6-cylinder engine, 188 horsepower. And honestly, the best part is the floor plan. I think they've pretty much figured everything out. The things that people find most important, they figured out a way to combat that. And I'll tell you just what I mean here in a few minutes. So up in the cab, the Mercedes cab, we have included a couple very nice features. One, you can see this little dial here is the Mobileye collision avoidance. So it will assist you with certain warnings when you're going down the road, such as lane departure, blind spot monitoring, stuff like that. Great feature for an RV. Also, this is the Infotainment Center. So you're going to have Bluetooth, Sirius XM, navigation. It's all touchscreen. It's all on this very nice LCD display here. It's also where your backup camera is going to be coming on. Again, that's more the Mobileye. Okay, of course you got the leather cab seats, and we do have the optional cab seat lounge cushions, which will be placed on those seats when they are in the swiveled position. Okay, got your over cab bunk. We'll flip around. Up above, right where I'm standing, is actually going to be a power skylight roof vent. So with the press of a button, that'll open right up, give you some nice airflow when you're out camping. So what I really love about this floor plan is, you have the longest slide of any view of any of the different models, which really give you a lot of open space. Number two, you actually have the most countertop space of any other view. So that's been something that, you know, customers have really harped on, that they've done a great job in this model. The third thing I love, just look at this storage. You're not going to find this in a lot of other RVs this size. Deep drawers, you know, pots, pans. You'll find a way to use every ounce of this storage, and Winnebago knows that. I mean, it looks great. It's extremely functional. Okay, they even give you some nice storage behind the TV here. Convection microwave. Up above the refrigerator, it does come with heated holding tanks. They do provide a valve here for you to easily shut on and off the propane. And of course you have controls for the generator. You can read your tank levels, slide room control, and the 1000 watt inverter that I showed you earlier. And it does have a solar panel on this coach. Might even be two. You have to excuse me for not knowing exactly how many are on there, but there is some. Or one at least. So I'll walk you back up front here. Again, more nice storage. Very comfortable dinette that'll last you forever. And the other thing that I just really love about this floor plan is they give you, not only do you have the sofa, but you have an electronic Murphy bed here, and I'll show you that. So that's it. That's just a press of a button. That comes down, that's ready to use. You got more storage behind the Murphy bed. You have outlets on the side with even a little room for a nightstand. And it's a walk around bed. You don't have the annoying slide out in the back. It's just one. Again, you have more outlets. USB charging ports. Got nice little reading lights up above here. Can just see why I love this floor plan. They figured it all out. It's all in one coach. Okay, you even got a nice size refrigerator here. Oh, and what's that? You need more pantry space? We got you covered. 4 slide out trays. I mean, this is the unique floor plan that you can actually use it as a weekend getaway type RV, or even spend a couple months in this thing. It's the all-in-one RV. It's just beautiful. Absolutely perfect. Coach from Winnebago here. I'm just going to show you the bathroom, and then I'll stop jabbering this up, and you can check out the pictures and contact us if you have any questions. Be happy to show you a little more. Here's the location for those cab seat lounge cushions. It also does function as a wardrobe too, so again, they got it figured out, and we're super excited about it. Hope you are too. Again, this is the 2019 Winnebago View 24D Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. Thanks for watching. Those legs are supposed to be straight, but yeah, I'm not perfect. This is Chris from Wakley's. Have a great day.